Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will compare ChatGPT and Google Gemini in 2025 as which one of them is the best AI tool for everyday use. If you're looking for the best AI tool in 2025 for everyday use, then watch this till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads, and let's get into this. Gemini is deeply integrated into the Google ecosystem. Without leaving your chat, you can ask Gemini to retrieve real-time information from other Google apps, including Gmail, Drive, Maps, Flights, Hotels, and YouTube. If you ask Gemini to reference Gmail or Drive, for example, it'll pull not only details from the referenced email or file, but also clickable links to them if you want to dig a little deeper. Instead, ChatGPT lets you pull pre-made or custom-made chatbots, called GPTs, into your ChatGPT conversation by entering @GPT-name followed by your prompt in the message bar. It's a different kind of integration than Gemini's with Google, but it's easy to toggle between chatbots and get the right kind of AI-powered support for the occasion. If you're a Plus or Enterprise user, OpenAI allows you to build custom chatbots, GPTs, and there are no limits to how many GPTs you can build. All you have to do is tell the GPT builder, in plain English, what you want to create, and the builder will take it from there. Custom GPTs can browse the web, generate images, and run code. You can also upload knowledge files, for example, writing style guides or help docs, directly to your GPT builder to inform your GPT's responses. Google has a similar feature called Gemini Gems, and it's available to all Gemini users, even if you're on the free plan. It's not quite as hands-off as ChatGPT, since you need to write instructions and name your gem yourself rather than having a bot handle it for you. OpenAI charges $20 a month for ChatGPT Plus, and Google charges $19.99 per month for Gemini AI Pro. ChatGPT is relatively uncomplicated. In addition to the $20 a month Plus plan, there's a $200 a month Pro plan that offers unlimited access to many models, extended access to deep research and Sora video generation, and access to research previews of newer features like Operator. Google offers two paths to access paid Gemini features. If you use a personal Google account, you can upgrade to Google AI Pro for $19.99 a month, or you can subscribe to Google AI Ultra for $249.99 a month. If you have a Google Workspace account, Gemini is included, though the Standard and Plus plans get you more access than the entry-level starter plan. That was a basic overview comparison between ChatGPT and Google Gemini. With this in mind, you can easily decide what suits you and your workflow better. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.